هاي ستيز، كيفك؟
هاي
ماشي.
سير.
هاي كيفكم؟
منيح، انت كيفك؟
الحمد لله جود. اشتقنا لكم.
نحن اكتر.
كيف كان هالاكزام؟
منيح. صححت.
نو اليوم. كيفك توماس؟
جود انت كيفك؟
ماشي الحال. كريست كيفك؟
جود.
أهلا أستاذ.
كيفك هيكل؟
منيح.
Okay, hi everyone. بعد عنا in the third semester we have probability. We need to continue solving probability and we have geometry and we will finish. Now in this period we need to correct the mistakes that you have done in the midterm exam for life science. I will start with probability. Probability, most of you did not solve it correct. I don't know why. Is it difficult?
Yes.
Yes. Okay.
Yes.
Since we have this table, first we make the total on each column and on each line. The total here, 23. The total here is 17. The total here is 14. I sent you the correction. 11, 15, and the total is 40. So we have the 40 students in the basketball club of a school are distributed in the following table. First secondary, second secondary, third secondary, boys and girls. A group of 3 students, so I know choose group of 3 students simultaneously together and randomly from this club. A, the 3 chosen students are all in the third secondary year. Who can tell how to calculate probability لل-A? All the students are in the same secondary, are in the third secondary year. In the third secondary year. As you know, probability is possible over total. Total, I have to choose 3 students from 40. Possible, I need 3 students from where? From where we need to choose them?
Third secondary يعني 15.
50. So you get, using your calculators, 7 over 152. B, the 3 chosen students are all girls, each one from a different class. What does this one mean? We have 3 girls, each one from a different year. How to calculate probability del B? Total is, what is the total? I need to choose 3 from 40. I need a girl, 3 girls, each one from a different year. What does this one mean? Means I need a girl from the first secondary.
يعني 6C1
Yes. Times.
4C1
I need a girl from the second secondary. Times 1 from 7. Any questions about this part? C. The 3 chosen students are all in the same secondary year. What's meant by all in the same secondary year? Yes? Yes, Shabab. What's meant by the 3 chosen students are all in the same secondary year?
يعني or 3 from first secondary year or 3 from second secondary year هيك
Yes, or 3 from. So here,
third secondary.
probability, let's see. I need 3 from the first secondary year, which are 14. 3 from 14, or 3 from 11, or 3 from 15 over 3 from 40. Do you like to ask any question till here? Part 2. The chosen group is formed of 3 boys. What is the probability they are all from the same secondary year?
عم بيقول probability of same secondary year يعني C.
The
يعني
chosen
P
group is formed of 3 boys. I put here 3 boys. Same secondary year, same year. So here we have conditional probability. So the chosen group is formed of 3 boys, comma, yani 3 boys. What is the probability they are from the same secondary year? How to solve it? What's the total here?
total is total of boys
How much is the total of boys? 23.
23. Yes.
What you
It
need?
says
Yes?
بدل same secondary ما فينا نحط PC home for event.
Yes.
Yeah.
What is same? I need 3 boys from the first year. Yani, I have to choose 3 from 8 or 3 boys from the first, 3 boys from the second, 3 from 7, or 3 from 8. Okay, life science, any questions about this part? Life science,
No.
it is not a difficult part. Yes, Lale?
Yes.
Why you didn't continue probability?
ما قدرت. It's hard.
Hard? هذا hard part 2.
No.
But it seems that you all, life science, you didn't study well. You have chosen at most 2 exercises from each chapter. Calculate the probability to get at least one boy and one girl. What means this sentence? At least one boy and one girl. How to translate it?
يعني بده يصير 2 boy 1 girl or 2 girl 1 boy.
2 boys. 1 girl. Or 1 boy. 2 girls. Whenever we translate it like that, it is easy to calculate the probability. So total is, I have to choose 3 from 40. I need 2 boys. What are the number of boys? 2 boys. The boys are
3, choose 2.
23. I have to choose 2 from them. With 1 lady, 1 from 17, plus 1 from 23 times 2 from 17. Part 4. In this part, we choose randomly and successively 3 students. We don't ask if with replacement or without replacement. We choose 3 students, means we cannot choose the same student 2 times, the same student. So 3 students, أكيد without replacement. What is the probability that the first is in the first year, the second is in the second year, and the third is in the third year? I need them in order, that the first in the first secondary year. Whenever we choose successively, I put 3 overs. I put 3 overs. Total here is 40 for the first student. Second student is, this is 40, yes, 39. And this is 38. I need the first student in the first year. The first year I have 14, 11, 15. Part B. Any questions about part A?
No.
What is the probability to get 3 students, each one from a different class?
نفس الشيء بس نعمل 3 factorial.
نفس الشيء مثل الأبove. This is the same as part A times 3 factorial.
لأنه عم بيقول ليش حط 3 factorial أستاذ؟
دائما whenever we choose successively, we have to multiply by the numbers that we can permute them. Whenever the order in the
Yes, order.
part A, he mentions the order. The order is mentioned, so we don't multiply. But part B, the order is not mentioned, so we multiply by 3 factorial. The last one, What is the probability that at least one of them is in the first year? Good morning, Thomas.
هاي كمان سؤال.
At least one in the first year. كيف نشتغل at least one؟
يعني one first year or two يعني two students first year or three students first year.
But the long, so I put it, I solve it by the opposite event. دايما at least one, I solve it by the opposite event. At least one in the first year. What is its opposite?
3.
3, not in first year. Equals 1 minus 3 from 40. 3 not in the first year. How much are not in the first year?
ليه عم تعمل combination أستاذ؟
اوكي فيني استخدم الكومبينيشن اذا بدك، اذا ما بدك combination I can put this one. So here 40, 39, 38. 3 not in the first. How many is not in the first year? 26, 26, 25, 24.
استاذ بالcombination هون تحت ال 3 26 C 26 choose 3.
Yes. This is all about probability. It was not a difficult exercise because it is the first test in probability. I gave it easy or simple. Okay, we go back to the function. It seems no one of you know how to calculate integrals. Yes, Alisa?
شو أستاذ؟
Did you study integrals well? Well, I didn't study integrals in all.
ما حلت integrals أستاذ.
What is the integral of e to the ax?
One
Jenna?
over A.
1 over a,
One
not a times e to the
يي عاملة derivative.
e to the ax. Lale, what's the integral of u du? Mary, what's the integral of u du? Oh my God, شو قصتكم؟
U square over 2.
u squared over 2 مش بتضلها u. Integral للباور we add the power by 1 and we divide by the power. هذا الانتجرالز اللي جبنا بهذا الشابتر بهذه الاكسرسايزز. Okay, I will read each part and the part that you don't know, please tell me. Which part from the part A or part B that you don't know? I will do part 7. هذه for life and for general. fx equal ax plus b e to the 2x. Calculate a and b if fx is the antiderivative of x e to the 2x. How to calculate a and b if fx is an antiderivative of x e power 2x? I can make the integral of x.
Integration by parts.
I can solve it by two methods. Integration by parts. I put here x. I put here e to the 2x. On this side, I make the derivative of x1. The derivative of 1 is 0. Here, the antiderivative of e to the 2x is half e power 2x. What is the antiderivative of half e to the 2x? Is 1 over 4 e to
1 over 4 يعني.
1 over 4 e power 2x. We multiply diagonal with this one is minus. So the integral of x e to the 2x dx is equal x over 2 e power 2x minus 1 over 4 e power 2x. So I take e power 2x common. We get x over 2 minus 1 over 4. So a is half and b is equal minus 1 over 4. Any questions here? Shabab, any questions? I can solve it by a different way. The different way is كلكم شفتوا الكوركشن عندكم ولا ما حدا شايف الكوركشن؟ Okay. I can do the following. Without using integration, I need that x e to the 2x equals fx. X e power 2x integral is fx. I make derivative on the two sides. I make derivative on the two sides. On the first side, derivative will integral, remove. We get x e power 2x equal f prime x. Now to find f prime x, fx is of the form ax plus b e power 2x. So it is equal, u prime is a times e power 2x plus v prime 2e power 2x into ax plus b. Now x, we remove e power 2x, we can take e power 2x, then x equal a plus 2ax plus 2b. By comparison, a plus 2b is 0, and the coefficient of x, 2a equal 1, then a equal half, and b equal minus 1 over 4. بدي أقول good news for life science. And the integration by parts, it is not required for this year. For life science only.
أيوة.
But in general, you have لسه في شي مرة الاريا بتطلع نيجاتيف؟
No.
اوكي. وكيف بيطلع معك الاريا نيجاتيف؟ Calculate the area S of the region limited by C, the line D, and the straight line x equal lambda and x equal to 0. What is about the area between the curve and a line? The area between a curve and a line هي integral from a to b from lambda to 0 fx minus yd dx أو absolute value لحتى ما تطلع الاريا negative. So الاريا here الاريا equal integral from lambda to 0 fx minus yd dx. Then the area equal integral from lambda to 0 minus x e power 2x fx minus yd. This one we determined its integral. We get minus half x plus 1 over 4 e power 2x between lambda and 0. First we replace x by 0, then x by lambda. We get this value. Then calculate the limit as lambda tends to minus infinity of s. e to the minus infinity is 0 times minus infinity is indeterminate. بننزل ال e to the 2 lambda to the denominator plus 1 over 4. We apply Hospital's rule بتصير فوق half تحت بتصير minus 2 e to the power minus 2 lambda. This one will be 0 and the limit of the area is 1 over 4. ما بتطلع معنا الليميت 0 ما بتطلع معنا الاريا 0 ولا مرة بتطلع الاريا 0. بعد ما نشوف هذا سؤال اللوغاريتم. بليز هاول الأسئلة يحتفظوا فيهم و they are important. They are good problems. أليسا بدي أحكي شغلة عن البوينت أوف انفليكشن. مش بس أليسا وقت بجيب البوينت أوف انفليكشن we have to make the table for the second derivative. Don't forget whenever you are asked about the point of inflection it is not enough to find f double prime and find x then we find y. We have to make a table. عرفتي كيف table؟ مثل هذه التيبل.
Yes.
Okay. هذه g double prime x positive negative. You have to prove it changes sign and you have to say that this point is a point of inflection. طيب حدا عنده شي question بعد about this test? Life science.
حطيت كمان correction مسابقة حطيت كمان بالجي اس.
لا لأنه بدك إياها ببعت لك إياها.
اوكي.
إذا بدك ببعت لك المسابقة مع الكوركشن. But they are good exercises.
Yes.
Everything in the function is given here. Do you like to ask any questions, life science, about any part?
No.
Okay, that's all for today. So tomorrow we'll continue. For tomorrow, read the probability to solve more problems tomorrow.
Okay.
اوكي استاذ
General science, yes. Well, we need to start a new chapter بعد شوي.
دغري ندز
شو؟
a new chapter
Yes,
New
new
chapter.
chapter.
معنا عمل question.
Do you have any questions about the test?
No.
No.
ايه كان صعب.
كان صعب. Did you see?
إيش؟
Did you check the
Yes,
correction?
No.
Did you check the connection?
Yes.
No.
No. طيب check the
حقدر ميك
connection.
بعد سخاني برا من أدوار.
ميا ميك بارتنر كان هذا.
اوكي general science بعد اي ساعة بنبلش؟
هلا
بعد شي 5 minutes 10 minutes. أو
طيب
هلا
على
دغري.
2:45 بنبلش. اوكي اوكي يلا 2:45.
باي ستيف.
يلا باي.
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 باي باي.